customers the best quality printed output that you can get. So instead of thinking about, well, I need to create my products, but then I need to pre-print thousands of sizes and colors and different layouts and see what sells, we try to educate our customers more on, hey, let's sell something first, then we produce it.